One. We're good. Hi everyone, I'm Darren from Esports team. I'm joined by Narij and Doug, my other teammates. We're here to address challenge number 5, mental health and well-being in the community. We see a big problem with everybody socially isolating and social distancing, the closure of all community facilities and gatherings. So there's no sporting fixtures. You can't play your weekly soccer match with your friends. You can't go to the swimming pool. You can't go to the theatre. There's all those things missing. And so we see there's a lot of risk amongst the community for negative impacts to their well-being. So we're deciding to address that with our solution, which is our esports app. We're going to use esports, the sport of playing video games, to reconnect everyone digitally from the comfort of their own home, so they can bring their friends along, meet new people, form teams, play in tournaments, and enjoy all those benefits you'd see from sport just in a digital environment. And we'll measure it all through quantitative data collection and analysis as well. So we've built this wonderful app that brings the user in, we sign them up, we get to know the player, we build their athlete profile, if you will, and we introduce them to our dashboard. So we've got a news functionality, we've got a messaging functionality that they can talk to their friends and family and whoever else is in the app. Then there's a tournament center, we've got a wellness center, and we've got a whole bunch of cool features in that. So Doug, do you mind talking about the tournaments and what's so special about that?
Absolutely. So with the tournaments, users will be able to enjoy all the social benefits of competitive sport through the application, and this reinforces the positive outcomes around digital socializing. People will be able to find teams and connect with others to compete in these tournaments.
Absolutely. And so then the other cool thing that we have is our wellness center. So this is a really special component that we worked on and I think makes us so unique in our proposition. It really enhances what we have. So Niraj, do you want to run through what are the features of our wellness center?
Yeah, so our wellness center is around fitness center and mental health well-being center. And in the fitness section, we are able to passively monitor the number of steps an activity user has done and how much they are sleeping, and they can enter data like how much water they are drinking, and gives them tips and resources to improve their physical fitness and coaching around that. We also have a cool mental health check-in feature where users are able to check in using their voice in real time before or after the game to understand where their mood is. We developed this using the deep learning data set which we have got from research institutions, where we are able to classify 9 different mood states just depending on their voice and the intensity of their voice. The benefit of that is whenever the users are playing the games, they're able to quantify their mood before and after. And we are able to longitudinally monitor every person's mental health over a long period of time and get that data for us to understand where we as a society is coping and how well are we coping during this difficult time, which is really cool part of this esports solution.
That's right. And so a really cool side effect of that is if we see people are sort of leaning to negative outcomes, we can pop them with some notifications. And so in those notifications, Doug, you've got some cool thoughts around that?
Yeah, so around the mental health center and the wellness center, once the app makes a determination of or assesses the user's mood and the mental state, the app will then be able to make a determination on whether they should be placed with others, other groups, and other teams, especially if they're in a high-risk area with regards to their mood.
Yep. So notifications could come up that prompt them to go check out the mental well-being center, where they can find more resources such as Beyond Blue, or they can watch a video